So Drew Barrymore is gonna run another one of my workouts at the end of her Wellness Wednesday episode. It's playing right now. That's 2 weeks now.
Before we go, watch this.
Here's how to squeeze micro workouts in your everyday life. Try doing calf raises when you brush your teeth in the morning and at night. If you have a stacked washer dryer, do some squats whenever you're loading it. Anytime you want to browse social media, lean on a wall and do some wall sits. Do some planks when you're watching TV or Netflix, and again squats when you're unloading the dishwasher. Anytime you're chilling on the couch, you can do some leg lifts. If you want something more challenging than wall sits, do the chair pose when you're on your phone. When you're in the shower, you can do some push-ups, just be careful. When you're waiting for the microwave or anytime you're near your counter, you can do some presses. And when you're folding the laundry, try some Russian twists. Don't make fun of the way I fold.
So just like the first one, these are micro workouts. These are exercises that you can do throughout the day. They're very short and you can combine them with everyday activities of daily living. This is a great way to sneak in extra minutes of movement in your day without having to block off long periods of exercise. Try them out. You might like them. Drew's team absolutely loves them. I love them too. I do them all the time without even thinking about it. It keeps my body strong, keeps me healthy, keeps me active. Thanks for watching. This is so cool, so exciting. Maybe I'll be on the show one day. Fingers crossed.